All right, you see the flashing lights in your rear view, you pull over. Well, tonight we're getting expert advice on what you should do next.
Yeah, Twin States news reporter Francesca Rollins recently sat down with Meridian Police Chief Benny DuBose to talk about the proper way to react in these situations.
Sometimes you may feel like you have been treated unjustly by an officer on a routine traffic stop. Most motorists would go with their gut instinct to question the officer's decision of the stop. Chief Benny DuBose with the Meridian Police Department says that some motorists will even withhold their driver's information until the officer explains why they have been stopped.
We have situations where the individual does not want to give the officer their driver's license until the officer tells them why they were stopped. This causes problems for both the motorist and the officer.
After the motorist has been informed of their violation to the law and then disagree.
That is not a place to argue with the officer about whether you did or did not do what he stated that he believed that you did. So we ask that you listen to the officer, you answer his questions. He will eventually answer your questions as to why you were stopped. That is a situation that should and can only be handled in court in front of the judge.
If the motorist has a problem with the police officer violating his or her rights?
If the motorists feel like their rights have been violated or they have been mistreated or the officer was discourteous, refused to give their name, refused to give their badge number, then they have a right to come to the police department and file a complaint against that officer. The officer, if asked, is required to give his name or his or her badge number to the motorist that they have stopped.
From the Meridian Police Department, Francesca Rollins reporting for Twin States News.
DuBose also said that if an officer ever refuses to give you his or her information, you are encouraged to call the Meridian Police Department.